Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new 2023 22LX Sport. This is a brand new model from Bennington. As you can see, the exterior is completely redesigned when it comes to their, standard Pontoons. This one's got flat paneling, redesigned rails. This one does have the new blackout package on it with the matte black exterior. As you can see, the lights are recessed into the front panel, which make it slick looking. It's got the nice Bennington insignia up front, raised. Absolute gorgeous boat. This one has, again, the matte black exterior. It's got a silver accent stripe coming on back to the carbon fiber rear panel design. And of course, this is the swing back model. It's got the power bimini top on it for those who have low clearance issues coming under the docks or coming into the docks, going under the bridges. It's got the nice Bennington stainless steel with the upgraded Rockford Fosgate. Another big thing is this new ladder. It's called the lily pad ladder. It's absolutely phenomenal. Pull that loose, break it down, and this folds down into the water just like a set of stairs. Absolutely incredible. Makes ease getting in and out of the water. Comes back up really easy. Snap it back in place. You don't have to worry about anything going wrong. It's got the quick release, snaps on, done. Sidewalk through in the back. Again, this is a swing back. It is the deluxe swing back. So these guys right here flip up. So you can sit forward facing inside. The backrest there stows away, down out of the way for leg room. Power bimini, of course. There's another good look at the carbon fiber in the back, silver accent, matte black sides. I mean, it's a beautiful boat. I don't think we've ever ordered one that looks as good as this one. It does have the glass windscreen on it just for added looks, and of course works wonders on deflecting the actual wind off the driver. So it is a very stylish boat. It's a whole new look. There's not many manufacturers out there that can actually compare to this kind of boat. This particular model, we did the ESP package on it. So you got the center 32-inch elliptical tune, and you'll notice all the skinning up under the deck, which is of course all standard features on all Bennington Pontoons. Take a look. This one here is powered with a Mercury 225 DTS, so it's going to be a little rocket ship on the water. Climb aboard, take a look. Rockford Fosgate, 20% cutouts. Got cup holders, phone chargers, and all in that cutout. Portable cup holder. Same thing this side. You got cup holders in the 20% cutout, phone charger, car charger, and then of course Rockford PMX stereos. It's got Sirius XM on this model as well. Glass windscreen, storage up under your console. Come on over here, you got a nice port lounge, 20% cutout, more cup holders, another speaker. All your backrest lifts up. Take the table, stow it away. Your swing back here. Flip it in so you're sitting facing inside the boat. Great little family area. Take a look at the helm, got the Go 7 Simrad in it. All your switches, upgraded PMX2 head unit, RGB lighting controls, the all new Mercury DTS throttle binnacle. Nice captain chair. Also have the LED lights inside the bimini top. Again, this is the new Bennington 22LX Sport blackout package. Matte black exterior. It's got the graphite interior with carbon accent. In stock, ready to roll. Motors here, just ready to go. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.